Shoo, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. It's a little echoey in here, but you saw in the title and thumbnail, you guys have been liking the Sasquatch, the Hot Rod 55 Chevy. It's awesome. But we are on a building spree right now on it, cleaning everything up, building it back, and making it better, because we're going to a car show the beginning of May here, next 3 weeks, I think, 2.5, but something like that. But stay tuned, because we're gonna build this and I think another truck if we get it back in time. But let's get in the garage and show you guys what we're working on. All right. So my dad's working on getting the bottom bracket off. You can go. But thing is looking clean. And we got the front bumper on this thing. So it's all, this front bumper's all ready. We are hoping to get the modifications lights, but we have a lot of work to do. So right now, took the gas can out, show you a couple clips from yesterday. And now we're gonna recess, because this was all like man-made and everything, so we're gonna put the gas tank down under this a little bit to get some trunk room, and then rebuild everything and bead roll maybe, but we'll get to cleaning this up more. Alright, as my dad's working on the trunk, getting all the weld pieces off, I'm gonna be working on getting the door panel off, because we gotta finish bead rolling and putting all these and paint it. So first I'm gonna take the handles off, and then I'm gonna take it off. So let's find an Allen wrench. Alright, got these handles off. Now we're gonna find correct size for those screws to take this off. Alright, so I just took the door panel off. This is what it looks like. We have to put the track back on the glass because that fell off somewhere. So we have windows for the car show, or on the road at least. But now we're just mocking up bumper, because we have a back bumper going on this thing. Measurements, and because we got to build brackets, because there's absolutely nothing to build on, because there's just nothing. I don't know. But yeah, measurements we're getting, and then I'm gonna finish getting these door panels on. Alright, so I'm in the car, and we have to cut the carpet because it has holes, so I'm gonna cut it right here as my dad is working on the bumpers. Alright, I just got the carpet out, and this is what it looks like. So we're trying to determine how we're gonna fill this in with either those oil cans, like big ones, but they're empty and clean. We cut them, make a little firewall, hopefully. We don't know yet. Keep you updated. Alright, so we're gonna have a lunch break, but we got the step here. There was a step. There's no step anymore. That was a pain in the butt. We cut the carpet out to work on that more. And my dad was working on the bumper. So these weren't bumpers made for this. So obviously we stretched it, and nice. Gonna clean that up later and paint it when everything's ready to paint. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of part 1. of this car build, okay? And we got done splitting the bumper, or widening it, and taking the carpet out. Next video, you're gonna see the dash done, and the bumper's all done, and see you guys next time on Rap 701.